friends, today we all are here to present a small skit based on reservation in India. So the first scene starts with its lecturer entering into the class. Few days were left for the board. In the season of tension, teacher enters a usual class and here's what happens. Hey guys, have you seen that your high heels?
Yes, dude, she's just awesome. I'm totally flattered.
Are you nuts? Exams are knocking at the door and you are still busy watching a girl?
Hey, chill, buddy. Have fun.
Why will I? You all are filled with something or other, but what about me? Neither I have money nor any quota. Where will I go? My life is washed.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Only 1 month is left for the exams. You all need to study really, really hard.
Yes, sir. Finally, the day is arriving and we are mixed emotions of excitement and nervousness.
Okay, so let us revise. Can anyone tell me about the potential? You?
Sir, it's kind of a device with lots of confusing words in it.
Forget it. Next.
Sir, this question is very simple. It measures the potential.
Anyone? You?
At least I'll get the step once.
It compares the EMF of two cells and it measures the internal resistance of the cell. It is based on the principle of Wheatstone breeze. So I can write from. Can I come in front?
No, it's okay. Fine. You're doing great. You will surely get a good college. But rest of you, please work hard. Ricky!
The results came out and the rich but Suraj got 80%, the result one Rahul got 68% and the smart but unprivileged Vidya got 95%. And just like other students, after boards they all appeared for the joint entrance examination and the results were out. Hey guys, I got admission in MIT University.
Oh, great. I too have got admission in IIT Roorkee.
IIT? What was your rank?
20,000.
And you got an admission in IIT?
Yeah.
I got 6,000, but I didn't get any good college. Life has played a game with me. Why am I in general college?
In not so great college, students are having their first day of interaction with the faculty.
Good morning, students.
Good
morning, ma'am.
So finally you are a step ahead towards your goal. So are you all ready to begin with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before giving a new kit, let me ask some basic questions. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is a diode?
A diode is an electronic device.
No, it's a semiconductor device. A diode is a two-terminal electronic device having with asymmetric conductance, having one side with low resistance in one side and high resistance in the other side.
Oh, you seem to have a good knowledge. What was your rank?
We are also not that bad, man. You can tell to us.
Exactly. We're always here.
Get out.
Ma'am?
Out, I said.
How? Means?
Okay, tell me, what was your rank?
Ma'am, 4,500.
4,500? Then how come you're here? You know what I mean.
Ma'am, this is my friend. Ma'am, I am not lucky enough. Ma'am, as many child suffer from their surname because of their SC and ST quota. And higher colleges, good colleges need much lower rank like us.
Don't lose hope, my child. You have a brilliant mind. I'm sure you're going to have a brighter future than the ones who are privileged by their birth right.
Meanwhile, in IIT, a place home where all the brilliant minds emerge, then Professor enters and is having an interest over the students. With Kavishik, Sophie, Nikita, and Vicky. Vicky has spoken to us, and Nikita, they are all students of an IIT.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all feeling today? You are now an idea.
Awesome, sir.
Introduce yourself, relax. Introduce yourself one by one, and also do your board marks and ranking grade.
Good morning, sir. I am Sauptik. I am from Delhi. I am very happy because I am in IIT now. I scored 87.5% in HS.
I am Prem Ranjan from Patna. I have scored 82%.
I'm Nikita from Raipur. I have got 92%.
I am from Mumbai.
Tell your names and what your father does.
My name is Popatlal Sidhu sir.
Have you not any manner? Just stand up and say.
Sir, my father is an electronics engineer and my 12th class CGPA percentage was 82% and my JEE mains rank was 14,500.
What? 14,500? How you will get selected in IIT?
SC quota, sir.
There is a big problem in India. That what they need people is mainly caste, not their knowledge. That is the main problem in India. Let's go for your academic. I am a mathematics profession. Next you bring. What is the even function?
And if f of minus x equal to f of x, it is called an even function.
What is the integration of sin x?
Minus cos x, sir.
Nice. Next you. What is the differential equation?
Sir, a differential equation is equations which is the difference of any two equations.
Great answer. That is the most stupid answer I have ever had in IIT. Ever. Let's next you. Anyone?
A differential equation is a mathematical equation that relates some function of one or more variable with its derivatives.
Nice. Good. Just tell me the one answer. What the zebra is?
Sir, here zebras, there zebras. Our zebras coming together. It's known as algebra, sir.
My boy, please pay attention to your academic. Your quota will not help you in academic. I will start from the syllabus from the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
After 4 years of engineering, what happens when government interview students from all classes appear? With Harshit as an official staff, Mihir and Sanu as the interviewers, Ramraj is an SC quota candidate, and Nikita and Shivankar are the candidates.
Sir, I come in. So there are two candidates waiting outside.
Call them out already.
Can you do some water for us? Okay, sir.
Prem.
Sir.
Yeah.
Proud to sing to be cool and
Yeah, little bit prepared. But not now.
but I am feeling this time.
Who is Sumanta Chaudhary? Go inside, it's your turn. All the best.
Sir, welcome.
Please come in.
Good morning. You can have a seat.
Tell us something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Shivankar. I am from Sipur University and I did BTech in Triple and also MTech. Here are my certificates.
So, Sumanta, what is your favorite subject?
Sir, mathematics.
Can you tell me the equation of a line passing through origin?
Sir, y equal to mx.
Shivankar, we have seen your academic history and it has been quite impressive. And we might consider you for this job.
Kindly wait for us.
Thank you.
Sir, the next candidate is SC.
Do we need to call that candidate?
Yes, let's see. Who is Rahul Raj? Go inside, it's your turn. All the best. At least introduce yourself.
Sorry, sir. My name is Ramraj. I am from IIT Kanpur. I am done my BTech in Tripoli branch. Here my certificate.
Okay. Tell me, what is a simple machine? What is a simple machine?
Simple machine. Simple machine is a machine which works are simple.
That's completely.
Okay, Rahul. Tell me what is the DC current?
DC current. Very simple, sir. Which flows in DC machine.
Wow. That's impressive. Well, tell me, have you prepared anything for this interview?
What prepared, sir? I know. I am telling just what I know.
Boy, please acquire some knowledge. Okay, do you watch movies?
Yes, sir.
What is your favorite movie?
Gangs of Wasseypur, sir.
Okay, Rahul, tell me. What is your favorite sports?
Favorite sport? Cricket, sir.
At tell us who is the President of India?
President of India, very simple, sir. Parthiv Patel. You don't know?
Oh, great answer.
Great answer.
And you, sir?
Yeah.
You may go.
You may go.
Next. Sir, there is one candidate.
Please go.
Okay, sir. Go inside. It's your turn. All the best.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Nikita from Raipur. I completed my BTech in Mechanical and MBA in HR from IIM.
Okay, Nikita. Tell us what is a simple machine?
A simple machine is that through which it can get maximum velocity gain or force gain in doing some work.
Okay, Nikita. Tell us about your weakness.
I can say no when someone asks for help, and I'm a bit lazy in things in which I am not first.
Please wait for our response. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
After this, all the candidates were selected, even the one having the worst interview. Just because reservation, he was recruited. This was our presentation of real life situation in India. According to us, the bright students who weren't able to afford higher studies should be given preference instead of the caste system. And surely we salute those who support them. A special mention to Mr. Anand, founder of the classes. But now, many poor students for pursuing their higher education and finally folding up. We thanks all our group mates for all their support, and special thanks to Kushi Patnaik for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.